monk, the monk, the monk, the lonely, lonely monk.
And then he makes everybody quiet by his host. And now he's wondering that this is gonna be the start of a story that will embarrass him. Because we're just making everything up spontaneously right now. And then the lonely monk thought of something. He looked up the sky and thought, okay, the sky.
Where's the sky?
Where the sky?
He pointed at the sky.
Point the sky.
Pointed. He pointed and realized he stayed pointing at the sky and realized now I know where the sky is.
No.
And then he thought, okay, maybe this time he spread his arms. He spread his arms
Spread.
wide.
Wide.
And then he thought, wider.
Spread.
He spread his two arms wide.
Wide.
Okay.
Lonely monk talaga.
The lonely monk just realized that because this is gonna be the next scene, the other characters should come right now.
Oh.
The character rabbit is going to enter the scene.
And when the rabbit is been identified,
He's the rabbit.
Nice rabbit.
Oh, nice.